This is Brussels Central Station, and Bruges is only an hour away by train from here. Trains run quite frequently, and you can take any train to Bruges with your ticket. You have to select second or first class. The class numbers are displayed outside each carriage. The train ride is scenic as it passes through several small towns and farms. The screen inside the carriage provides information on upcoming stops. This is Bruges train station. Toilets are available for a fee, and some food options are available, for example, Starbucks. From here, a pleasant and scenic stroll through the parklands takes you to the famous Lovers Bridge, which is quite a view in the morning. Walking north, you pass the Beguinage, where there is information about its history, and you can walk through it when it's open. From here towards Bruges town centre, it is a relaxing stroll, especially before the crowds arrive in the late morning. There are beautiful outdoor areas, such as for these restaurants, which will definitely be packed later. You will come across several chocolate shops, so make sure you drop into one of them. Finally, this is Market Square, quite a spectacular spot to spend some time. The Belfry Tower is a popular one to visit. You can book tickets in advance for a time slot. On the hour, there are 47 bells ringing together. Here's one that I listen to. There are horse rides available for those who fancy one. Lots of other beautiful buildings as you walk through this beautiful little town. And this is me stopping for breakfast and giving my legs a rest. Canal tours by boat is a popular activity here. The queues form pretty quickly, so getting to the boats before 10 a.m. is key. It is a great way to see the town from a different view and rest your legs for a while. There are many tours available. You will certainly see as you walk around. You can choose any of these because all of them are the same price and follow the same route. €15 for about 30 minutes. That means less time researching for you. There are some cute shop fronts, such as these. I definitely had to take photos. Walking around the different alleyways in your own time is the best way to explore this town. As you can see, everywhere there's a great view. That wraps up my day trip to Bruges. Hope it was helpful. Any questions or comments, please post. Thank you.